Hello, and welcome to your next lesson. Today, we will be reviewing the status bar in Excel. The status bar is located at the bottom of Excel and can be used to give you all kind of information about your content. By default, the status bar will display the average, sum, and count of a selected cell, but this can be modified to your personal preference. Customizing the status bar is super easy, and I am looking forward to sharing this information with you. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so here we are on our spreadsheet, and I have uploaded some data for us to work with. So before we begin, let's go ahead and locate our status bar. So we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom of Excel, and we're going to go ahead and do a right click. And as you can see, the pop-up that displays is your status bar. Okay, so now as you can see at the top, it says customize your status bar, and it gives you the options that are available to you. The items that are checked are the ones that are currently active in this workbook. So right now I have the average, the count, and the sum checked. Let's go ahead and take a look at our list and do a few exercises so we can see how this works. I'm going to start with list 1. I'm going to go to B3 and I'm going to drag my mouse all the way down to B18. Now if you look at your status bar, it gives you the status for this content. The average is clocking in at $48.50. I have 16 cells selected and the sum total $776. Let's go ahead and do the same for list 3. Okay, so the average in this case is $116.81. Again, we have 16 items checked, and the sum in this case is $1,869. Okay, so next I want to skip over to list 5. Let's go ahead and select cell F3 and go ahead and drag it all the way down. Now in this case, my average is $90.63. My count is 16 again, and my sum total is $1,450. Now, this does not have to be in a list. You can grab everything that's on your Excel spreadsheet and get the same type of information. So I'm going to go ahead and grab B3. I'm going to drag it all the way over to F3, and I'm going to go ahead and drag it all the way down. Now all of my content is selected. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so my average in this case is $71.36. My count is 80. And my sum total is $5,709. Now we can add other information to our status bar by simply doing a right click. Let's go ahead and select the minimum and maximum. Okay, so now as you can see, Excel displays the information right on the pop-up without us even going back to the status bar. So here you have the average of $71.36. You have your count. You have your minimum of $1. And you have your max of $283. And your sum is $5,709. Now let's go ahead and click away and see if our status bar reveals the same information. Okay, and as you can see, it does. So that just shows you that you can review your information directly from the status bar, or you can review it right from the pop-up. Okay, so next I want to go ahead and select a few more items to the status bar. Let's go ahead and select the zoom and the zoom slider. And I also want to go ahead and add our shortcuts. And let's go ahead and click away. Okay, so now what I just added is the zoom. This will allow you to expand and decrease the size of your worksheet, and also give you the percentage of the zoom. Now the shortcuts that we just added are your page layout tools and are features that you are likely to use quite a bit in Excel. You have your normal view, you have your page layout view, and you also have your page break view. So go ahead and continue to take a look at some of the features that's available to you on your status bar, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this lesson. I hope you find this information helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Well, that wraps up another video, and you are doing an awesome job. Please let me know if you have questions or if you have any feedback that you would like to share. And I will see you in the next video.